Hello, dear viewers. Today we will start the next chapter, chemical bonding. In this, the first topic is Lewis representation of simple molecules. Lewis symbols are also known as Lewis electron dot structure. This concept is given by Jean Lewis. For this, we need valence electrons. For example, the Lewis dot structures of different molecules such like oxygen, NF3, ammonium and nitrogen dioxide ions. These are some examples of these molecules. There are some rules for these Lewis structure. So, how do we make these structure or Lewis dot structure? In this video, we will study how do we make different Lewis structure or how do we represent Lewis dot structure. First of all, the atomic number or number of electrons present in atoms are divided into two parts, valence electron and kernel electrons. For drawing the Lewis dot structure, first rule is count the valence electrons. Let us take these four examples and count the valence electron in each molecule. For example, in O2 molecule, there are 2 oxygen atoms, and in one oxygen atom, there are 6 valence electrons. So, total number of valence electrons are 6 plus 6, that is 12. In the similar way, next molecule is nitrogen trifluoride. In nitrogen, 5 valence electrons are there. Next, F3. In F3, there are 3 numbers of fluorine atoms and 7 are the number of valence electrons present in fluorine. So, total number of valence electrons in NF3 molecules are 26. Next molecule is ammonium. In ammonium, one atom is nitrogen, contains 5 electrons and other are 4 hydrogens. So, 4 are the number of hydrogen atoms and 1 is the number of valence electron in one hydrogen. But this molecule contains one positive ion. It means one electron is lost by this molecule. So, we subtract one electron from this so that we get total number of valence electron in this molecule are 8. The last molecule is NO2 negative ion. In this, 5 are the number of valence electron in nitrogen, 6 are the number of valence electron in oxygen and 2 are the number of hydrogen atoms. This ion has 1 unit negative charge, so here we add 1 electron. By adding all these, we get 18. It means this molecule contains 18 valence electron. This is the first rule to draw Lewis structure. Second rule is to draw skeletal structure. to draw skeletal structure, we need different atoms. So we write the symbol of those atoms. In first molecule, there are 2 oxygens, so we write 2 oxygen symbol. Next is NF3. In NF3, nitrogen is central atom and 3 fluorine atoms are surrounding atoms. So represent NF3 like this way. In ammonium, nitrogen is the central atom and 4 hydrogen atoms are surrounding atoms. So for writing this, write nitrogen in the center and 4 hydrogen atoms on the surrounding of nitrogen atoms like this way, and 1 positive charge is the charge on whole molecule, left this charge. Last molecule is NO2 negative. In this, again nitrogen is the central atom and 2 oxygen atoms are surrounding atoms. Now represent NO2 like this way. Third rule is put single bond between central atom and surrounding atom. First of all, we have to draw the single bond. Single bond represents 2 electrons. Draw the single bond in all the molecules. This is our third rule. The fourth rule is place the valence electrons on the atoms. So first molecule is oxygen. Here 12 oxygen atoms, 12 electrons are present. So draw 12 electrons on the oxygen atom in this way that all the atoms obey octet rule. Octet rule means each atom has completely filled its 8 electron in its valence shell. So draw the dots on the atoms. Draw the dots in this way that the 2 electrons contained by the single bond. The dots or electrons which are left in this molecule are contained multiple bond or double bond or triple bond. Now our fourth rule is place valence electron. Now place the 12 electrons in the oxygen atom. Now 2 electrons are subtract because these 2 electrons are present in single bond. Draw the electrons in this way that all the 12 electrons are distributed in these 2 oxygen atoms. By drawing these 12 dots on the oxygen atoms, we get the double bond should be present between these 2 oxygen atoms. So this molecule should be represented as the double bond between 2 oxygen atoms, and each oxygen carry 2 lone pairs of electrons or 4 single electrons. These electrons are non-bonded electrons and known as lone pairs of electrons. So the Lewis dot structure of oxygen molecule is like this. Each atom of oxygen contains 4 electrons or 2 pairs of lone pair. In the similar way, draw the valence electron on the NF3 molecule. The number of valence electrons in this molecule are 26. Now, this molecule contains 3 single bonds. Now, 6 electrons should be occupied. Now, the left electrons are 20. Now, draw the 6 electrons on each fluorine and 2 electrons on nitrogen atom. These 6 electrons in each fluorine are non-bonded electrons or lone pair of electrons. So the 2 electrons should be present on nitrogen, which is one lone pair. So the Lewis dot structure of NF3 molecule is this. Next molecule is ammonium. In this, it contains positive charge. So put the positive charge on this molecule. Now this molecule contains 8 valence electron and all the electrons are present in this molecule in the form of single bond, because each single bond contains 2 electrons. In this molecule, no lone pair is present and nitrogen has completed its octet by sharing 4 electrons with hydrogen and also carry 1 unit positive charge. Last molecule is NO2 negative. In this, valence electrons are 18. Out of 18 electrons, 4 electrons are used in 2 single bonds between nitrogen and oxygen. So, the number of valence electrons left are 14. Out of 14 electrons, 6 electrons are present on one oxygen and 6 are present on other oxygen. Now, these are 12 electrons, 4 are in bond. Now 2 electrons are left which are present on nitrogen atom as a lone pair of electron. But this molecule carries 1 unit negative charge. Therefore, one bond between nitrogen and oxygen should be double. So 2 electrons from one oxygen are shifted in the form of the double bond. Therefore, one bond is single between nitrogen and oxygen and other bond is double, so that one oxygen contains 2 pairs of lone electron and other contains 3 lone pairs of electrons, and 1 unit negative charge should be present in whole of the molecule, that is outside the molecule. This is the electron dot structure or Lewis dot structure of NO2 negative ion. These are 4 simple rules to draw the Lewis dot structure of any molecule. For this, first rule is count the valence electrons in a molecule. If it carries positive charge, then subtract. If it carries negative charge, then add the number of electrons. Second rule is draw skeletal structure. Third is to draw single bond, and last rule is place all the valence electron on the atoms of the molecules. This is all about from my side. Thank you.